Your softener is actually making the water soft. However, you are getting lots of buildup here. So all this buildup is bio coming from the inside of the softener. The water goes in here and comes out of here and goes right into here. This basically is a bio and bacteria. We can try cleaning the inside of the softener. That usually doesn't work when it looks this bad. Most likely repack it. Tank swap. Put a new tank on, repack it, but we can't put our tanks on these valves. So it won't work that way. So basically, they're Culligan units. Culligan's going to charge you an arm and a leg to bring the bottle. We can probably charge you less to replace a softener than they would. But they're the only ones that can get the parts for these units. Let me cut open your pipes right here. You can see basically the contrast there. The black is the sulfur. That's sulfur in your lines. That's the sulfur unit not taking out sulfur as it should all the time. 239-201-2074.